This is Miss Ivy. She is the Minnesota deck cat. Miss Ivy. Right. Missy? She likes to spend all her time out here on the deck. Winter, summer, spring. She's working on, I think she's thinking about taking a nap. What was that? Got your ears going every which way? I don't know. Lots of box elder bugs out here today. Birds. Bugs. Something made a noise. Oh, I don't know. How did you hear that? A box elder bug. She's got some good hearing. Oh my gosh, it's so nice out. We're here in Minnesota. I think it's 60 degrees. It's got to be 60 degrees. No more snow left. Thank God. We had rain this week. Like 3.5 inches or something. Excuse me. We deserve this weather. Don't we, Miss Ivy? We do. I'm gonna catch a tan out here today. I'm gonna stay in the shade now. Huh? That's it? Is that your spot? Hello? Jake?